Om Sri Matre Namaha. On this auspicious occasion of Vasanta Panchami, welcome to today's slokas in praise of Goddess Saraswati. Salutations to the Goddess who is present in all beings in the form of knowledge. I bow to her again and again. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः वाग्देव्यै च विद्महे ब्रह्मपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः वाग्देव्यै च विद्महे ब्रह्मपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Meaning of the sloka 1. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, the goddess who is present in all beings. Vidya Rupena Samstita, who exists in the form of knowledge. Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha. I offer my salutations again and again to her. Meaning of the sloka 2. Vagdevai cha vidmahe, we meditate upon Goddess Vagdevi, Saraswati Devi. Brahma Patnai cha dhimahi, Goddess Saraswati, who is the divine partner of Lord Brahma, the Creator. Tanno Vani Prachodayat, may that Goddess Vani inspire and enlighten our intellect. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Prayer for peace on all levels, physical, mental and spiritual. Namaste.